Put Coca-Cola in the avocado and you will never suffer for it again. And when you discover the reason, you will thank me forever. To begin with, we will need an avocado, no matter if it is ripe or green. We will cut it in half after opening it. We will only need this bone. Most people do not imagine what this simple bone is capable of doing. You will be surprised when you discover it. Now I will wash it and remove the film that wraps it. I will come back to show you what the power of the avocado bone is. Everyone should know this. I already washed it and removed the film. And now what do we need to do? We will cut the bone. The avocado bone is not hard. You can cut it into several pieces. Did you know that almost 80% of the world's population throws it away? But I will explain to you why the other 20% does not. After cutting it, it is normal for the avocado bone to change color. Now we take an atomizer because with it the application will be easier. If you do not have one, there is no problem. We can put everything in here. These two ingredients are a powerful home remedy that you need to have at home, especially if you are suffering. With this, we put everything in here. Now we need 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola in this practical container. Many people do not know that at first Coca-Cola was not the drink we know today. It was developed as a remedy to cure headaches, stomach aches, and even body aches. It was made from coca leaves and cola seeds. The most important thing is that when we mix it with the avocado bone, we increase its benefits even more. This is a great home remedy and you should do it at home. It is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It also helps with joint pain in the body, back, legs, elbows, neck, and knees. If you feel a lot of pain in your legs, or you know someone who feels it, you should do this remedy and know how to use it. After adding the 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola to the already cut bone, let it act for about 24 hours, preferably in low-light places. It is very simple and easy with only these two ingredients. If you didn't know this, do it at home. After 24 hours, you can start using it. It is not necessary to remove the bone unless you want to do it. Then simply apply it in the areas where you feel pain and let it act overnight. I used to feel a lot of pain in my knees, which bothered me a lot, so I started using this advice on my knees. It is also great if you have pain in the joints of the arm, especially in the wrist. Simply apply it and rub. It is also great for the elbows that hurt a lot when we do daily movements or lift weight. I also use it on the heels after a tiring day. You can use this if you feel discomfort in any part of the body. This advice is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more useful tips like these.